I'm actually going to shape the bottoms of these just a little bit. They're kind of, I don't know, they don't look good. And a lot of the times the light isn't getting through. So what I did is I took this tarp. I didn't care for the quality of this tarp, so I zip tied it together, folded it in half, and then cut it in the middle. So then I just did this one very lightly, nothing crazy. And then I'm able to put all of the clippings, just drag it out. I'm going to do all of these just at the bottom. And project today is to get this grass back and hopefully get these rocks in there too. And just kind of fix this part up because it is pretty shady in this area right now. And it should stay this way for a while. So I got to work around the sun. That's what I try to do. See, that one needs a good shaping and everything else. And that's the project for today. As usual, always something to do when you own a house. I bought soil. I have some Jonathan Green seed, and also I do have some peat moss. I'll just throw down in a couple of these areas and then do a little light raking thatch. All right, we're getting to the after. What do I got? 3 left. So see, the sun is moving over. That's how I'm working. So basically, look, trillions of leaves are going to find their way into this section, and I've also cut behind to make it easier with the leaf blower and everything else, and that's just really the goal. Give it a little bit more air. I'm not looking to really shape them straight up. I have cut down somewhat, you know what I mean? Like this side I'll do too. Yeah, this one needs, I think this one needs a little bit. But anyway, I did those. Those I kind of try to straighten a lot more. Those were bulked out very much so. And just trying to get there. They got those Italian trees. They're like straight up pointy. I like that look. But I'm not doing it for these. These are like all over the place. These have been here about a good 9 years, I would say. Yeah, 9 or 8 years. So it takes a while for them to grow. And you could tell a couple of them, like the 2 at the end, have died because of stupid, in the beginning, of dogs peeing all over it. That's another great thing. So, but yeah, they've kind of grown. That one in the middle had died in the set of 3 at one time. I don't know why. It just did. So I had to replace that one. That's why it's shorter. Up there, I don't know what to do with this big gold one. It's like way out of control looking. And I also have to fix that other one. I had it bent down, but now it's going straight and back up. There's, it's hard. It's a lot of work. A lot of work when you have, I would say, over 200 shrubs on your property. Right, here's the end result for now. Planted some grass seed. I don't think I'll have time to do the river rocks, so, and then I also have to get black mulch for the trees. But yeah, it came pretty nice. You could definitely see I do have to power wash more here. On this side I never touched it. Just wanted to at least get this thing done for today with a little before and after. And you know what? Now there's plenty of space underneath these. Once I fill these in nicely, any leaves will be able to be blown out of there and then picked up. So that was the goal. Now I have the other side, which I'm going to do after lunch, and just get that done because I'm following the sun. That's the whole point.